Why do people fall out of love? Sagutin natin. People fall out of love dahil tamad sila. Yes, tamad sila and they refuse to work. Let me explain. Make no mistake about it, ha? Relationships are and they require hard work. It takes hard work para maglaba, mamlansya. It is hard work to communicate. It is hard work to be patient. It is hard work to even be intimate. Marami kasing tao, napakaraming tao, ang akala, ang forever, ang long-lasting relationship, it's a magical thing na parang pag nakita mo yung love of your life, yun na yung wala ka nang gagawin. Maling-mali. Kung hihila-hilata ka lang, tatamad-tamad ka, huwag ka na magtaka kung mag-fall out of love talaga yung tao sa'yo. Naniwala kayo sa akin, this is hard work. Although talagang walang guarantee sa mundo, ha? If you work hard for your relationship, then minimize mo yung chances na mag-fall out of love kayo. Pero syempre, meron talaga mga tao na talaga at manloloko. Pero hindi mo nakasalanan yun, ha? Here's my personal advice, ha? Although she really doesn't like it, parang feeling niya lag na exam, set the time na periodically evaluate ang relationship nyo. Saan ba tayo nakarating? Did we become better people? Did we become better persons? Para makita nyo kung nag-work out ba yung relationship nyo. Yeah, if you don't want your partner to fall out of love, even yourself, you need to work hard for your relationship. Right?